Hi there guys, so in this video we'll see how you can translate any WordPress theme or a plugin in a few minutes. So the first thing we're going to translate is a WordPress theme. The theme I have active is 2020 and let's translate it. So let's download and install a plugin named Loco Translate, which is what we're going to use today to translate the plugin and the themes. Hit install. Hit activate. Once activated, go to the Loco Translate menu and then look for the themes and then select the theme you want to translate. So when you click on it, select new language and then select the language you wish to translate it into. French, France. And then in the second step, which is to choose a location, remember to select anything but themes 2020, the theme directory itself, because it will get overridden after an update. So make sure you select either this or this, right? So I'm just gonna say languages Loco. So let's click on start translating. So let's look at the front end now. What we want to translate as an example is this maybe comment. So let's translate that first. Let's look for comment, anything with the name comment. Reply on, leave a comment, comments, right? I think that'll be it. Let me check. Let's open this. I'm not sure if it's translatable in this theme, but let's go for it. Let's translate everything comments. We'll go to Google Translate and then we'll say switch this and French. We'll say French and then the main language being English, right? Comments, commentaries, we'll copy that and then we'll paste it in this second input box and hit save, right? And then we'll also translate this one reply on hello world. So you can see it's one reply on hello world, right? So let's translate that one reply on, right? Let's copy that and then let's paste it and then hit save. Missing placeholders. Oh yeah, we'll also have to paste this as a placeholder because that was in the initially in the main translation string. So make sure you also copy the placeholders. That is because if that there is some other code that is being dynamically outputted, that will also be there. So hit save. And then that is done. Now, if you were to refresh it, you'll see this is not being displayed right away because you will have to change the site language. We go into general and then in the site language, we'll have to select French. So for French, we look for franchise, right? And then let's hit change. And then once changed, if you were to see, you can see it here, une response sur hello world, which we changed ourselves, and then on commentaire, right? So this was an example of how you can translate a theme. Let's now look at how you can translate a plugin. So right now we don't have any plugins to translate, but the process goes the same. We go into Loco Translate. Let's change the site language back to English. Yeah, so we go back to our Loco Translate menu and then look for the plugins. And then as you can see, it only has itself listed in the plugin translation. We can do so for the example. So select a new language. This goes the same as we did for themes. Select your language for translation, just French, France, and then the location. You'll again choose this instead of the plugins directory. So and then hit start translating, and then you'll translate anything that you want to translate. maybe you want to translate this settings. So we'll just search for settings. You'll see that settings is coming here. We'll search for settings parameters, right? Let's copy that and then let's paste that and then hit save. I hope that is what was here. And then if you were to change it from our site language such as Francais, you'll see that here, as you can see, it changed into parameters, which we just changed. So that's how you translate a WordPress theme or a WordPress plugin. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions.